Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the fermentation. So for fermentation, one example, the preparation of batter to produce an idli, that is a example for the ferment. That is a irreversible change. This is also one of the example for the fermentation. So the fermentation, that is a process in which the microorganism, that is a yeast and the certain bacteria that break down the sugar solution into the alcohol and the carbon dioxide. So this is the fermentation process. So the fermentation process is a irreversible process. So the irreversible process is the alcohol formed that it cannot be turned back into the sugar. Once if it is formed, again it cannot back to the original position. So again it cannot be back into the sugar. So this is the fermentation. So here the fermentation is a chemical process. So next we can see the chemical reaction of baking soda with lemon. So baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate and the lemon juice. So we are drinking the lemon juice. So in the lemon juice it contains the citric acid. So when these two substances that is mixed together, then a chemical change that it will be taking place between the sodium hydrogen carbonate and the citric acid to form the the chemical change that is taking place between the sodium hydrogen carbonate and the citric acid. So if these two mixed together, then only we will be getting three new substance, that is sodium citrate, carbon dioxide and water. So the chemical change can be written in the form of the word equation, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate plus citric acid, that it will be giving a sodium citrate plus carbon dioxide plus water. So this is the chemical reaction of baking soda with lemon. So when the baking, one small activity is there that I will explain you. When baking soda and lemon juice are mixed together, the bubbles of the carbon dioxide are formed. So when we are drinking any juices in the shop, at the time they will be mixing something. In a home only we will be getting a fresh. But what is that? If you are adding the baking soda, we will be getting in the lemon juices we will be getting a small bubbles, and one small is like that one sound will be there. So we have to take a 10 ml of lemon juice and we have to add small pinch of baking soda. Then when we are mixing with baking soda with lemon juice, we will hear one hissing sound. We will be hearing a sound. So when the bubbles of carbon dioxide is coming out and it rises, the reaction in the level of the juice level will be increased because of the carbon dioxide, the level will be increased. So this is about the chemical reaction of baking soda with the lemon. Thank you, students.